Let's learn how you can log out from your WhatsApp account or application. So the easiest method you can do is to log in on different device with same number. So that will log out your WhatsApp account from the old phone or old device. But if you don't have older device and you are using only one phone, what you can do is to hold on your WhatsApp application, click on remove app. This will delete your WhatsApp application. Now you want to go to App Store, search for WhatsApp and download it again. Now, when you download it again, you will need to enter your email or phone number again, and you can just enter different phone number. You can log in into different account, and that's it. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.